Highlight myself, Haripriya. Today I'm going to talk about how to answer when they ask the question, why should I hire you for the job? The first one is show off them your skills and also experiences. Tell them about your skills and experiences you have from the resume, and also explain them how the skills and experiences contribute for the success of that company and also role and the position in the company. And highlight about your ability to fit in and also work in a team, and explain how you adapt yourself for the job, and also how you adapt with the colleagues and also supervisors in the company. And also highlight about how you contribute to the team success and also company success. Tell them about your experiences, skills, and also highlight them about the experiences you have, and also explain with the example the experiences, skills that you have from the past roles you have worked in any company in your past. And also be enthusiastic and also confident. Enthusiasm is the most important thing in the workplace, and also be confident on what you're performing in your role and also company role. And also be honest. Being honest in what you are telling to them is most important. If you may lie and you may get the job now, and also this may impact you in any other way at the time you work in the company, and also it make a problem with your employers, company, and also with the colleagues you work with. Thank you.